Hi y'all, this is Amanda of MSAWEBB, and in this video I'm going to tell you all about my sales from last week, give you some insights into where I am on my reselling journey, and give you some tips and tricks that might help you along in yours. If all that sounds good to you, just keep on watching. So, like I said, I'm Amanda of MSAWEBB, and this channel is all about reselling. I do what sold, haul videos, as well as tips and tricks along the way. I sell on eBay, Poshmark, and hopefully soon to be Etsy. I might go back on Mercari, and one day I'm going to hit that Amazon train too. But we'll see. You know, I have a 9-to-5 job, so I guess you could call me a part-time reseller. I'm not really part-time. I mean, I do have a 9-to-5, but like I really put in full-time hours with this. Sometimes, not every week, but sometimes. Well, if all this reselling stuff sounds interesting to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification button so you can come back and watch some more of my videos, and hit the thumbs up button because YouTube likes it, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you. All right, so what's sold? January 20th to 26th. I like to start these videos now off with giving you my stats of my Poshmark closet in particular, and a little bit about my eBay as well. So, you know, there are all these rumors out there about how, you know, you can increase your sales by increasing your number of listings, increasing your followers, your shares, and all of that. So I like to tell you how my week started off, where I was, so you can take that into account when I go over my sales. So last week I started off the week with 72,176 followers. I had 420 listings on Poshmark, and I had 333 on eBay. My eBay doesn't have as much as my Poshmark. Hopefully I will be getting all of those listed on eBay soon. One thing about this week is I changed up my offers to likers strategy. So I only did offers for likers on Thursday night. I typically do them every night, but I had seen a trend in these past videos that people were only accepting them on Thursdays and Fridays. So I decided just to do them on Thursdays this week and see what happened. So stay tuned and I'll let you know. Okay, starting off on Poshmark, Monday the 20th, I sold these Clark boots. I sold them for $35, making $28 after fees. I don't pick up all Clarks, but I do pick up like the boots and, you know, the nicer, you know, shoes. I do have one pair of Clarks in my closet that are not like the trendiest of Clarks. I just picked them up a long time ago and they've been hanging out. But, you know, don't discount Clarks. You can make some good money off of them. Monday the 20th, I also sold this Longchamp bag. So I got this. If you've watched my 5 name brand handbag thread up unboxing, this was one of the bags that I got. So I will link that video above if you're interested. But I sold this bag for $60 and got and $48 after fees. So that was really good. I got a lovely love note from the person who bought it because it was really in good, like new condition, that bag. I've seen some other resellers getting those boxes or the designer box, and they get those bags and they're not as nice. But this one was like, I don't know if anybody ever wore it, to be honest. So that was all my sales for Monday. Tuesday the 21st, I sold these dance goes. They were these Mary Jane dance goes. I sold them for $40 and took home $32. Oh, and I'm sorry, I was going to let you know how long that these items have been sitting. The Longchamp bag was only up for a week. The Clark's boots were up for about a month, and the dance goes were up for about 2 weeks. I think my dog's freaking out because she can't come up here and she misses me. Okay, anyway. Okay, Wednesday the 22nd, I made 2 sales. First was this Nanette Lepore shoes. I've had these shoes for quite a while. I would say about 6 months. I picked them up because they were just really interesting. They were these little mules with like butterflies that kind of popped out on them. So I picked them up. I sold them for $20, taking home $16. Okay, last sale on Wednesday the 22nd were these Nike athletic leggings. They were new with tags. They've been up for about 3 weeks, I believe, and I sold them for $14, taking home $11.05. So Thursday the 23rd, this is where I sent out on offers to likers on my entire closet, and you know how many listings I had. I have likes on about 95% of my closet. It took me a long time to send out offers to likers to my entire closet. So I'm not sure if I like the strategy because it took up a lot of my Thursday after I got home from work. But that Thursday night, actually only one person accepted the offers to likers, and it was this ModCloth dress. I sent offers to likers, somebody picked it up for $25, and after Poshmark fees and a shipping discount, I took home $18.20. That had been in my closet for about a month. So Friday the 24th, that's when people started accepting the offers I had sent out the day previously. This equipment tunic, it was 100% silk. I sold it for $25 to taking home $18.20 after fees and the shipping discount. I've had this item up for quite a while, 6 months I believe, or even longer. I was very surprised that it took so long because I'd heard so much about equipment and how it was a great brand. But the 2 items that I've picked up and listed, they've just taken a while to sell and sold for a lot less than I thought they would. It might have been just they weren't desirable pieces. I thought this was super cute though, because as you can see, it was like 100% silk. It was a tunic length. It was animal print, which, you know, it's all in, but it was a tank top, so you never know. Next, I sold these Lane Bryant boots. I sold them for $15 and took home $12. That was not offers to likers. That was somebody sending me an offer. Next was this Anthropologie Saturday, Sunday long gray cardigan. I had this listed for about a month. This was offers to likers, so $22, taking home $15.80 after fees and shipping discount. Next was another offers to likers acceptance. This was Paige skinny jeans. I sold these for $15, taking home $10.20. So when I first started reselling, I heard a lot about different denim brands. So I picked them up when I saw them, like Paige and AG, which is Adriana Goldschmied. But I've had a really hard time selling all of those. I don't really know. I don't sell jeans very well. And the jeans I do sell are ones that other people are like, don't sell for them. Like I sell a lot of Miss Me, I sell Torrid, Lucky Brand, and the other ones that have sold faster. Like I have Rock Revival, for example, in my closet, like priced lower than a lot of things, and no one's accepting it. Denim just doesn't do well for me. So I kind of like don't even really go through the denim when I'm at the thrift store anymore. Sometimes, but I mostly, if I pick up any kind of jeans now, it's because it came off the new rack. So what I'm trying to say is if something works really well for other people and it doesn't work for you, don't keep buying it because it's obviously not working for you. Because I have so many Paige jeans that I have to sell for $15 because I'm tired of having. Adjust your selling strategy based on what works for you, not based on what the reselling community is telling you works. I mean, yes, listen to advice, but also listen to your own sales. Okay, next was this Stitch Fix blue cardigan. I sold it for $15, taking it home $10.20. I mean, that sold for the same as the Paige jeans. That blows my mind. And this sold for more. This was a Fabletics crop top. I sold it for $18, taking it home $12.60. The Stitch Fix, by the way, had been in my closet for 6 months. The Fabletics had only been in my closet for about a week. And I think the reason the Fabletics sold so fast is because it was a larger size. I think it was either an XL or an XXL because I went to a thrift store and obviously somebody had donated their Fabletics collection, and they were all XLs and XXLs. So if you're looking for that size, I have a lot of tank tops and crop tops in my closet right now, linked down below. So that was all my sales for Friday, and that was all my offers to liker acceptances. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 acceptances after sending out offers to likers on my entire 400 plus item closet. I don't know. Does offers to likers work for you? Let me know down in the comments. Okay, so anyway, Saturday, I only made one sale. That's the 25th. It was this Aria dress, this chiffon dress. I picked this up quite a while ago. It's been listed for 8 months. I picked it up, I think, right before, well, I picked it up at the time because it was like, you know, Aria is like I think of it as like a country brand because I can think of the cowboy boots. So I picked it up because it was red, white, and blue, and I was thinking, you know, 4th of July, somebody will see that, and, you know, we like to celebrate in the South, you know, on 4th of July. I don't think that was even a Southern accent. I don't know. I mean, like I have a Southern accent now. I don't know what I was doing just then. Sold for $18. I took home $12.60. Okay, Sunday the 26th, I only had 2 sales. First was this North Face pink jacket. It was only listed for a week. I sold it for $23, taking home $18.40. Last was this boho top. This top was super cute. It had these really flowy, I mean, the picture doesn't do it justice. I tried to find a stock photo, but I'm terrible at that. But it had these like flutter, really big sleeves. I loved it. It was very, very Free People-esque. But I sold it for $18, taking home $14.40. I think MG has a lot of really cute pieces, so I pick up the ones that I think are really, really cute. Somebody actually left me a really nice love note about this. They were pretty excited. She said it was better than expected. I wanted to be like, it's because of the photos. I know, the photos weren't great, but I'm glad you like it. That's a total of 15 items with a total sales of $363. And after Poshmark fees and shipping discounts, I took home $277.65. All right, on to eBay. eBay only made 4 sales. As you know, eBay is not my main bay. It's improving though. I've actually had quite a few sales on eBay. I've actually had quite a few sales on eBay today, so that'll be in next week's What Sold. Hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see that, and that bell notification. So Wednesday the 22nd, I sold one thing. First was this vintage sweater. I have quite a few of these up in my Poshmark closet and eBay store. I sold it for $20 plus shipping. Friday the 24th, I saw this Elie Tahari kind of velour cardigan. I picked it up because I thought it was super cute and just kind of like boho-y with its embroidery. And when I got home and was like listing, I was like, why did I pick this up? I know Elie Tahari is a very expensive retail brand, but it doesn't sell very well for me. But this piece sold within like a week. So see, listen to your instincts. Just because something doesn't normally sell very fast, if you think it's beautiful, someone else will think it's beautiful. But anyway, that sold for $40 if I did say. Okay, Saturday the 25th, I sold this Etc. skirt. It was just this it was like a rougher material and it had like floral embroidery on it. I sold it for $28, which was really good because I remember I got this from the bins, so it was probably like $1.50 if that. Last was actually another bins pickup that I've had for quite a long time. Both of these items actually have been listed for quite a long time. I would say 8 months. So it was this Mark New York sweater. It was like a black sweater. I sold it for $14.99. So that's a total sales of $102.99. And just to keep things even, I take out 20% on my eBay sales too. So I took home $82.39. So in total last week, I sold 19 items for a total sales of $465.99. And I took home $360.04. So pretty good. Excited about those sales. I want to end this video with giving some insights. My insights again, offers to likers. I did have quite a few of those, but I don't know if it's enough to spend like an hour and a half sending out offers to likers on all my items. So I'm still like testing out offers to likers. So this week I've actually tried the strategy of just sending offers like 15 minutes after somebody likes them, if I'm obviously on the app or know this. That is not working so well. So I actually have stopped that, and I'm going to do offers to likers again on Thursday or Friday, but only items that have been liked that week instead of my whole closet, because I just don't want to sit there and do it forever. So, and especially when it's really not that beneficial, I think. For me anyway. Another thing to note is, so last week I only made 15 sales and I had 2 no sales days. This week I sold 19 items and I sold something every day. I made more money last week. So not a huge difference, about, let's see, about $10, about $10 more, but just to show you, like, it's not the number of packages, it is what is in those packages that counts. So you see all these, package photos on Instagram where it's just all over there. You don't know what's in those packages. It's gonna be $10 sales, that they got at the thrift store for $5. So you don't know. Don't compare yourself to other people on Instagram. You don't know where they are. We're all in a different place in our reseller journey. So just be more focused on where you are and only pay attention to what you find helpful in other people's journeys. And give some encouragement along the way. We should all just be happy with all of our successes. This is also advice I have to follow, because yes, it's human nature. You see those pictures, or you see people making all these ginormous sales, and you like compare yourself. It's human nature. It's just what we do, but we need to try not to. And so I'm going to continue to try not to, and my advice is for you to try not to. So that's my sales, guys. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Comment down below what your favorite sale this week is, or comment down below your Poshmark closet so I can go follow you or share some of your items. Stay tuned for later this week. I'm going to do another ThredUp unboxing. I've already actually recorded it, and so that'll be up later this week. I believe the next one is the 25-pound men's unboxing. It's either 25 or 50, but I think it's 25 pounds men's clothes items unboxing. Stay tuned for that. Again, subscribe, thumbs up, notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.